Hello, I'm Steve Suggs, co-creator of the Recruit the Best system with the CTS Sales Profile and LSS Learning Style Survey. Thank you for choosing our system and assessments. Our goal is to help you get great benefit from your investment. The CTS and LSS, used with the complete Recruit the Best system, which is part of your package, can transform your business. I'm going to show you how that works in this short video. First, let's look at some quick scenarios. Scenario number 1. You need someone now, but it's hard to get great people to apply. What do you do? Scenario number 2. You've already hired a person based upon a gut feeling that they would do well. 3 months and thousands of dollars later, after many wasted hours of training, they left or you had to fire them. Scenario number 3. You're keeping a team member who is underperforming simply because you can't find a replacement. You feel trapped. How do you fix this? Scenario number 4. You're at the beginning of your agency career and you need to build a great team quickly and minimize expensive hiring mistakes. I'm going to teach you how to fix these things using the CTS Sales Profile and the Learning Style Survey, the LSS, inside of the Recruit the Best system. But first, I need to go over some basic steps on how to use your new system and tools. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with the Resources tab located in the black bar of your CTS Account dashboard. All the tools and resources you've purchased with your subscription are under this tab. First, in the Resources tab, you'll see the links to the Recruit the Best Team 5 training videos made for using the Recruit the Best Team system. Watching these videos is the key to maximizing the benefits of the system. These videos teach you what to look for, the 5 dimensions that determine if a candidate can sell, service, and pivot, how to interpret the CTS reports, how to use all steps inside the system to measure the traits and skills, where to find enough of the best candidates. The last video teaches you how to improve your interviewing skills in order to perceive the real candidate during the interview. We sent you the Can They Sell book, written by myself and my business partner Lance Cooper. It's a companion resource to the training videos. It covers the philosophy behind the Recruit the Best system and shows you how and why it works. Next, under the Resources tab, you'll find the Recruit the Best Field Manual. It's chock full of scoring sheets, interview questionnaires, and other vital elements needed to conduct systematic and objective interviews. With the CTS and LSS reports in hand, you can interview deeply and intelligently and discuss with applicants their sales and service capabilities and possible stress areas as revealed in the assessments. Download the Field Manual from the Resources tab in your CTS account and begin to use all of the tools in the system. In the 5 training videos and the Field Manual, you will learn why it's critical to use the system. To select well for sales, it's very important to have the results of the CTS and LSS assessments in your hand prior to the interview. When candidates have the right personality, this is 35% of what is needed to master the skills of sales. When they have the right intelligence, this is an additional 20%. We must discover the remaining 45% through the interviewing process. This remaining 45% helps us understand things like, what's their character? What's their attitude towards selling your product? What motivates them to produce well? The Field Manual and videos teach you how to conduct layered interviews, which will drill down to honest responses. You can't just depend on emotional responses or even reference checks to get to the truth. The Recruit the Best interview system will guide you. Under the Resources tab and under Finding Candidates, you'll find a 20-page document entitled Recruiting Document Supplement to go along with this video to help you discover all the places to find more quality candidates. The document has very detailed instructions for finding candidates on university campuses, on LinkedIn, Facebook, and in your community through centers of influence. This is an immediate must-read document. Under the Finding Candidates section, you will also find the Sourcing Workbook, which will help you create a comprehensive sourcing plan. Next, under the Resources tab, under CTS Registration Templates, you will find email and text templates to send to candidates the instructions for completing the CTS and LSS. You can send this email and text from your computer, or you can replace the email and text messages in CareerPlug directing candidates to take the CTS and LSS instead of the CareerPlug assessments. You will need your CTS registration link to put in the email. To find this link in your CTS account, click Register Profile. On the right side of this page, click Copy Link to Clipboard. Paste this link into the email template. When you receive resumes in CareerPlug or other online sources, send this email and text the candidate asking them to complete the CTS and LSS prior to the first phone interview. This will create an efficient screening process in your recruiting efforts. You will also find a document there, CareerPlug Instructions, that will guide you through the process of adding the email and text to your CareerPlug process. If you decide to use other online job boards like Indeed, ZipRecruiter, and so forth, you can create your own job posting templates. Under the Resources tab, under Job Posting Samples, you will find job posting samples for any position in your agency. Next, under the Resources tab, you will find the CTS Ego Drive Guidelines. This is your cheat sheet for reading the reports for the Learning Style Survey, Profile Report for the SF Sales Team Member, and Profile Report for the SF Service Team Member. Next, under the Resources tab, you will find the CTS Comprehensive Field Guide. If you want to become a renowned expert on the Recruit the Best system and the CTS Sales Profile, this field guide contains the complete body of work, or the encyclopedia, for the system and all of its tools. Be prepared to learn. It is very comprehensive. Step 2. Schedule calls. As you begin your recruiting and as the CTS results come in from other applicants, use the red Contact Us button located in the lower right corner of your CTS dashboard to schedule calls with me or one of our experts to discuss your candidates. These calls are part of your subscription, which includes unlimited phone calls with us. These calls are also part of your training. We show you how to put the pieces of each applicant's puzzle together by looking at their resume and social media as well as their reports from the CTS and LSS. We can help you decide where to focus during your interview and even suggest some possible questions to help you discover their areas of stress and their strengths. We always welcome your calls. We understand your business and your struggles. I talk to about 50 agents weekly and have been for 12 years. Step 3. Take your entire team through the CTS experience. It costs you nothing because your subscription includes unlimited assessments. Then schedule a 1-hour call to go over the strengths and stress areas of your entire team. From that, you can formulate a team coaching plan. Also, under the Resources tab, you'll find a 30-page manual for using the CTS to coach your team. This comprehensive manual provides extensive tools and training to coach your team to greatness. Step 4. Familiarize yourself with your online admin panel and dashboard. If you need help navigating the portal, watch the CTS Account tutorial video under the Resources tab, which you can watch as often as you like. If you need more help or tech support, feel free to call us, chat with us, or email us. Our information is under the red Contact Us button. As you know, continuously growing a customer base through referrals is important. We've made it easy and profitable for you to refer your fellow agents to the Recruit the Best Team system. Click on the Referral badge on the right of your dashboard and learn more about how to easily get cash for sending us referrals. By clicking on the badge, you'll see the different levels of cash for referrals who sign up. Click on the green Share button and share by email, then watch the referral cash come in. When one of your referrals signs up for the Recruit the Best Team annual subscription, you'll see a message to redeem referral credits on your dashboard. Click the Redeem button, put in your credit card information, and we'll credit the cash to your credit card. You can also click on the various tabs and see your rankings for the number of referrals among your fellow agents. You could actually pay for your entire annual subscription through this referral program. If you're watching this video and if you desire additional help in getting started, you can schedule an introductory phone call with me or one of our recruiting experts. This quick tutorial will set you on a course that can transform your investment into a business-changing experience. Please use the red Contact Us button in the lower right corner of your CTS dashboard to access my calendar app and choose a time that's convenient for you. At the beginning of this video, I promised you that this system can literally transform your business and help fix your hiring and coaching problems. Here's where the magic comes in. By studying the videos and resources, using the CTS and LSS along with the coaching calls, and by using the entire system, you're entering a new realm, the realm of mastering the skills of recruiting. Above all, you will begin to see much deeper into both applicants' and team members' strengths and stress areas. You'll discover more about their aptitude for selling and servicing accounts. You'll grow to understand how to build a happier and more productive team. It really works, and we have many testimonials. So enjoy and profit from your new investment, and welcome to the future.